Imagine it's December 31st, 2025. You're standing in front of a mirror, looking at yourself, but this isn't the same you from today. This version of you is confident, successful, and unstoppable. You crushed your goals. You built the life you always dreamed of, and now you feel proud. Now snap back to reality. You're still here. And the truth is, most people won't get there. Not because they're not smart enough, not because they don't have potential, but because their brain is wired against them. But you can change that. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to rewire your brain for success, step by step. By the time you finish this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to becoming that future version of yourself. But here's the catch. You have to act on it. If you're serious about changing your life, stay with me till the end. This life as a human isn't easy. And for most people, it feels like a constant battle between what they want to achieve and what they actually do. You wake up promising yourself that today will be different. You'll be productive. You'll work on your goals. You won't waste time. But then, reality hits. The notifications pull you in. The distractions are everywhere. And before you know it, another day is gone. Sound familiar? You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow turns into next week. Next week turns into next month. And suddenly, a whole year has passed. Think of January 2024, you have decided to make a better life. But in a couple of days, 2025 came. And on January 2025 to again think the same. But the February is almost over, and you're still stuck in the same place. Why? Because success isn't just about hard work. It's about rewiring your mind. See, your brain isn't your enemy, but right now it's not your ally either. Your brain wants comfort. It wants routine. It wants to protect you from discomfort, fear, and failure. That's why taking action feels so hard. Ever noticed how easy it is to binge watch a show for 5 hours, but sitting down for even 5 minutes to work on your goals feels exhausting? That's because your brain is addicted to instant gratification, and if you don't rewire it, 5 years from now, you'll be in the exact same spot, regretting the chances you never took, the goals you never achieved, the potential you never unlocked. But here's the thing, it's not your fault. You were never taught how to break this cycle. No one told you how to reprogram your mind for success. But today, that changes. Because if you keep watching, I'm going to show you exactly how to rewire your brain, step by step, so you can finally break free and become the person you were meant to be. The only question is, are you ready to change? Listen carefully, because what I'm about to share with you isn't another motivational speech. This is a proven framework, one that has helped thousands of people go from feeling lost, distracted, and unmotivated to completely transforming their lives. It doesn't require talent, luck, or waiting for the perfect time. Because success isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's about having the right systems to train your brain for action. By the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step roadmap that will help you destroy procrastination and self-doubt, develop rock-solid confidence, take massive action on your goals, create habits that make success inevitable. This isn't theory. This is science-backed, real-world application. I'm going to break it down into 5 powerful steps, each one designed to help you rewire your brain, reprogram your habits, and take control of your life. And here's my promise to you. If you apply even one of these steps, you'll start seeing instant changes. But if you commit to all 5, your entire life will transform. Now let's talk about real action, because motivation is useless if you don't act on it. These 5 steps will help you rewire your brain, break bad habits, and build unstoppable momentum. Each step is designed to do one thing: force your brain to work for you, not against you. And if you apply them, you'll see results immediately. Step 1. The 5-second rule. Stop overthinking, start doing. Your brain is a master at making excuses. You feel the urge to take action, but then a voice inside your head says, I'll start tomorrow. What if I fail? I'm not ready yet. And before you know it, you've talked yourself out of progress. But there's a simple hack to silence that voice. It's called the 5-second rule. The moment you think about taking action, count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Stand up, start writing, send the message, make the call. Because once you act within 5 seconds, your brain doesn't have time to sabotage you. Why does this work? Because hesitation triggers fear and doubt, but action kills fear instantly. Try it right now. Think of one thing you've been avoiding. Count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and do it. That's how you break the cycle. Step 2. Identity shifting. Stop trying. Start becoming. Most people fail because they don't believe in themselves. They say, I'm just not disciplined. I'm not a morning person. I'm bad at sticking to habits. But you are whatever you tell yourself you are. If you keep saying, I'm bad at waking up early, guess what? Your brain makes that true. Instead, start saying, I am disciplined. I am the kind of person who takes action. I am someone who follows through. At first, it might feel fake, but the more you say it, the more your brain rewires itself to match your new identity. And suddenly, success becomes effortless. You don't have to try to be disciplined. You are disciplined. You don't have to force yourself to take action. Taking action is just who you are. So type in the comments, I am the kind of person who takes action. Make it real, because the moment you shift your identity, everything changes. Step 3, the 2-minute rule. Here's a secret most people don't know about habits. Success doesn't come from big changes. It comes from small, consistent actions. That's where the 2-minute rule comes in. Instead of setting huge, overwhelming goals, start with just 2 minutes. Want to read more? Read 1 page. Want to exercise? Do 1 push-up. Want to start a business? Write 1 idea down. Because once you start, your brain naturally wants to continue. Think about it. How many times have you told yourself you'll just scroll for 5 minutes, and suddenly, an hour is gone? That's because small actions lead to momentum. Use that to your advantage. Start small, build fast, and before you know it, you're unstoppable. Step 4, the dopamine detox. Rewire your brain for focus. Right now, your brain is addicted, not to drugs, not to alcohol, but to dopamine, the feel-good chemical. Every time you scroll through social media, watch a video, or play a game, your brain gets a dopamine hit. And over time, it needs more and more to feel satisfied. That's why focusing on boring but important tasks feels impossible. But you can fix it. Cut out dopamine overload for 24 hours. No social media, no YouTube, no junk food, no video games. Just silence, boredom, and real work. At first it'll feel uncomfortable, but after a day your brain resets. Suddenly, deep work becomes easy. Reading becomes interesting. Your focus goes through the roof. Try it. 1 day without distractions. You'll be shocked at how powerful your mind becomes. Step 5, the 90-day rule. Most people fail because they quit too soon. They start a new habit, a new goal, but after a week, they give up. Why? Because they don't see instant results. But here's the reality. Real success takes time, and science proves it. It takes 90 days to completely rewire your brain and make a habit permanent. Not 7 days, not 30 days, 90 days. That's why the 90-day rule is so powerful. For the next 3 months, commit to your goal no matter what. Even if you don't see progress, even if it feels like nothing is changing. Because after 90 days, your brain is rewired, your habits are automatic, your success becomes inevitable. So here's your challenge. Pick 1 goal, stick to it for 90 days. No excuses, no quitting. Do this, and you'll become unstoppable. You now have the blueprint, the 5-second rule to stop hesitation, identity shifting to change who you are, the 2-minute rule to build unstoppable momentum, the dopamine detox to rewire your brain, the 90-day rule to make success inevitable. The question is, will you actually do it? Because watching this video won't change your life. Action will. So here's your first step. Comment below 1 goal you're committing to for the next 90 days. Make it real. Because once you take the first step, the rest becomes history. Now go. Change your life. Let's listen to recap. Break the comfort loop. Do things before your brain talks you out of it. Reprogram your identity. Speak about yourself like the person you want to become. Destroy distractions. Cut out the things that steal your time and focus. Use the 2-minute rule. Start small and let momentum take over. Build non-negotiables. Discipline beats motivation every time. Now pick one of these steps and take action today. Not tomorrow. Not later. Right now. And if you want more powerful self-improvement content, hit the like and follow button. Your future self is watching. Make them proud. Let's do it, brother.